I'm gnarly, you're not. Hello baby, my name is Dixie. You might recognize me from my multiple appearances on big name long terms, such as Daenerys Drag Race where I won, RH1's The Race, Atlas Drag Race, Kim Karma, and more. People might know me as one of the community's top first writers, editors, and frankly my versatility. But in this competition, baby, I'm just gonna be a top, trust. Here in the Gardens of Aphrodite, I don't really have anything to prove anymore. I think everyone knows what I'm capable of. And I'm here in the garden to be a flower amongst these rats nibbling at my leaves.
Oh my god, yes! Hello, Poos. I would walk around a little bit. Okay, it's giving, I haven't been canceled 3 times. Ooh, looks at the view. Then we'll get on the table, we cutting you up today. Yeah, spicy meat. Alright. There's no ceiling, so you can afford it. So what if it just rains right now? I'm just gonna drown? Like this, the makeup not waterproof, boo. Okay. Takes my seat at the head of the table. Yeah, it's bringing the next bitch.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back on Gardens of Aphrodite's Live. The word does not have wings, it sure does fly fast. And this queen has been speculated for months to be on this season of Gardens of Aphrodite. We'll see if it's true. Fun's over. Now let's get down to fucking business. Hello, it's NV, your nightmare and your best dream. I am 24 years old from New York City. I am the Broadway gal. I am stunning, sickening, a cunt, everything in between. I'm just gorgeous. I'm fabulous. I'm so excited to be here on Gardens of Aphrodite. I feel like this is such a new experience for me, as I haven't really been on film long terms like this. I don't think any of my shit has aired ever, so hopefully this one does. But yes, I am so excited to be on Gardens of Aphrodite. I'm an animator. I'm hopefully gonna get out of my shell and do some comedy. I like to perform. I love to just show everything I have. I love to draw. I love to edit. I do all of it. And yeah, I'm just really totally excited to do this.
Oh, hello, Diva.
Oh, hell. Hi. I didn't know what was going on.
Like, ew.
Hey, Queen. How are you? What's your name?
Hello, Queen. It's Mother Dixie.
Oh, bitch. Oh, hi.
Yes, boo. Yes, boo.
Period. How are you doing?
Tell me about your outfit. I'm good.
How's the Demure's crown?
Tell me about the fit.
Oh, the fit.
Oh, it's good. I'm living.
I don't know.
Let's keep
I
the
was feeling
conversation.
very
Hello?
designer.
Let's keep one conversation because we just said 3 different things.
Yeah, I don't know what just fucking happened, but anyways, I was feeling very designer, very Dior. And you know, that's just what inspired this.
So where's the Dior?
Yeah, I love Dior.
So did you bring some?
Just this, but you know, maybe we'll see on the runway if I have any. But it's fitting, no? And
No.
what are you wearing, Miss Diva?
I'm wearing a cunty little red latex crocodile belt look.
Period.
Protecting
Okay.
hair.
Okay, I love that for you.
Ooh, wags my hair a little bit.
Oh, it's moving.
Yeah.
It's moving.
Oh yes, can't you see it? Oh wait.
I'm in my Helen Keller hair today, so like I don't know. I've chosen to be
Whoa,
blind.
that was crazy. Helen Keller.
So
Wrap it up,
let's
bitch.
let's go to the other girls. I'm ready to see what they're doing.
Like, ew.
oyster. Baby, come touch the pearl.
Hey y'all, it's me, Sharubi, or also Dax's Copycat. Anyways, I am 16 years old and from Vietnam. Some long terms you may have seen me on were Dragathon and Luke's versus the World. Some things I wish to accomplish on this season is getting a win or the runways, something like that. I'm also here to prove that I'm more than just copying someone's looks, and I can actually be original.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh, my sister, my sister. Hey.
Is that my wig? Oh, no, it's not. Okay.
Oh. Well,
Have
well,
you-
yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. How are you? You
very
look...
laggy over here.
Yeah, girl, it's Dixie, not me. It's her.
Wow.
I'm sorry, boo boo.
It's all that moving shit. Anyways, how are you? What's your name? Bitch, get up. Like, what?
She's walking to the
Get
floor.
up. What's your name? Oh my god.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Oh my
How?
sorry,
She's
I-
falling. She can't
Yes,
get up.
she that drop.
I have epilepsy, so I just fall whenever I just fall. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, you just saw a person of
Sure.
color. That might have triggered it.
Oh, well, no, but okay.
What's your name?
My name is Ruby. Oh yeah.
Oh, Cherubi. Like, is there
Yeah,
anything?
but with an I. At
Is
the
there a
end.
reason for Cherubi?
Is that like a
Well, what are
Pokemon?
the name?
Yeah, no, it sounds like a
Well, yeah.
Pokemon.
I just
Oh.
added an I to the end.
She stole your
She
look.
ain't here, so
Right.
Oh,
Right.
looks around. So,
Anyway,
change
what
your
inspired
name,
this?
Mimi.
so wait, you
Change
wanted your
name,
name
Mimi,
to be
change it
good?
around.
So wait, so you wanted your name to be
Hello?
good?
Like,
Like an I at the end. It's confused.
Yeah.
So my throat was lonely.
This
Oh.
wig is sickening.
Looks
This
around.
princess-
it's around.
This looks like princesses. Anyways, what inspired this fit today? Like, what's going on? What's the
Oh,
vibe?
it was by an artist. Her name is, or wait, no, his name is Christian. At School Tiara on Twitter.
Right,
street
right.
fashion.
Anyways, I think I want to see the next girl. So let's sit around the table. Let's
Yeah.
gather round, children.
And if you call me a bitch, make sure you put baddest in front of it. Whack ass hoes.
It's Glamstress, the old newbie, because I've been in the community for 30 years and still struggling. Being back for season 2 is kind of nerve-wracking because it hasn't been much time between the seasons, but I know my determination has grown, so I'm sure I can do better.
Oh my god, yes, Fab.
Sorry, I had a seizure.
Yes,
Hey, what is your
Madison.
name?
Yeah. Oh my God, Glam sis, how are you? Your mug looks so different. Oh my God.
Oh wow, wait.
It's so
You,
nice
I've
to
never
meet
seen you
you.
before.
No, we could be on Atlas Drag Race together. The canceled season 4. I love you so much.
Hi.
Or didn't even do 3. Oop, that was shady. I'm sorry.
Right.
I compete with Fab.
Why is she on the floor? Get up, Diva. But
I
how
was
are
on
you?
Fansies versus the World with her.
Ah, kicks her.
Oh my god, like why are you wearing like
The tags
weird
are crazy.
class? Like no cuffs at all.
Yeah. Are you trying to tell us that your clothes are off the rack because it's all tags? Oh, period.
Oh,
Did she buy it from you on the phone?
Mama, this is gonna shit you up in here.
Like you dress like a telemarketer.
Oh my god.
No, I am.
You can't
I
say
am.
that.
I own 99% of this business.
Fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm lagging
Still
too.
stuck. Oh,
Take it.
bitch.
Take a seat, Helen.
Sorry, I
Why
have
is he so
hemorrhoids. I have hemorrhoids, so I get like stuck because I don't have my hemorrhoid doing that.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay. Anyways,
Hello.
what inspired this fit today, Glam sis? What's?
So
I'm getting
yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. No, it's okay. Take your time.
Oh.
Take your time. Mm-hmm.
You're fit.
Well, you're not
so.
fit. You're fat as fuck. But...
Right.
Like that's okay. Well, period. Like,
Well, you look cute.
I personally live for it.
We
You
are
just
talking about
fucking
fat.
drag.
Only fat on me is this ass, baby.
No.
And these titties. Mwah.
Okay, let's not do too much.
No, baby, she didn't even know. Like,
Thanks.
Really?
Because Kiara's
Oh.
with you.
the brown shake. Anyways, I want
I'll
to
let
see
you
the
wrap
next
it up,
queen.
bitch.
I want to see the next queen. Like, I'm excited to see new people. Let's gather around.
Diamonds are forever. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever, forever, forever.
I'm washing me in my
She
clothes.
drunk as fuck,
Bitch, I'm washing me in my clothes.
Mother!
Sister!
Paula! Oh my god! Ah!
My mother.
My mom! Well, not yet. Unofficially. Ah!
My mother. Oh my
Paula,
god.
you weird. Oh my
Hold
god.
Don't get all up on me.
That's
Hold on.
fun.
Sister,
Yeah.
Like, hello, boo.
Octopus Couture over here. Yes!
Oh, hello. Mind you who's wearing your meshes?
Oh, really? You want to go there? Well, you know, Mother is here, and
Your titties look good. You know.
yes, boo. I know,
Wait.
like, down.
You didn't want to put some clothes on? You didn't want to...
Girl, no need for clothes when the body is all here, which some of y'all can't say.
Is
Oh.
it in the back room?
She's not talking about me. My body is...
What?
One wipe and it's all out.
Oh,
So, are you gonna say hi to me, Mom, or what?
well, to be
You don't
honest,
owe
the outfit tonight and the forehead and the
Oh.
wig, I didn't know if I needed to say hi to you because
you. She didn't know if she claimed
this
you.
is not my material.
No, but I just... Paula, how's Cascade treating you? Or are you still on that? What's happening?
Well, I can't spoil.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Well, why'd you
I
gain a
will,
list all of a sudden? I mean, I know you can't spoil, but why can't you spoil?
Because
Does she sign an NDA?
No, I was wondering where the list came from.
I don't want to get dogs.
You're right, Josh is gonna come find you, and so is Meg. Anyways, ladies, I
Wait,
think we
where
should wait
is
for the next
Frank? Hello?
queen. Like, I feel like this next queen is like just elephant queen, and she's ready to stop and come
Oh,
out.
So,
I can already hear the floor shaking.
Right. So let's sit down. Let's brace for cover.
Who needs salvation when you've got Sage?
Discord added voice memos, girl, like we won.
Hello, ladies. I shouldn't have to say my name, but if I must, it's Sage, sleep here, and I'm 17 years old from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm most known for my creative concepts, sickening builds, and of course, my stellar comedy skills. I've been on projects like Drag Cascade, Zamir's Drag Race, Ivy's Dracula, and Luna's Drag Race. And coming onto the main stage of Aphrodite's, I'm really just here to show that I'm not only a runway queen, but an overall well-rounded queen.
I knew I heard a big bitch coming.
Who's that?
Ooh. Oh, yes. My mother, my other Get off, fuck away, Envy.
Bitch, that
She's
is my
cute.
sister. That is my queen. Sage is the icon, the legend. But she is the big girl.
Oh, that's a lot of girls. Hi.
Mama.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, my mother, my mother, my
So
mother.
we got this floppy Zamir's sister.
Oh!
That be you.
This sickening queen.
This nasty Luna's girl. We got my mother, Paula. Yes.
Mother!
We got my daughter. Oh my god. And we got my good Judy from Cascade Valentine Special Glam Strips. Hello, ladies. It is I, your
So
ender.
why is she so short?
Oh, ends are where?
It's me, your ender.
I would look around.
Queen. No, look around.
But hey,
Fashion is, baby. You're just
So I
like
see-
a platform prompter.
VC Ixie is back. Oh my god.
yes, boo, yes, boo.
Let me inspect
Wait, why
this
are you so
outfit.
short? Like, I'm actually gagging.
Because I'm petite. I don't know. I'm not a big burly.
Right.
No.
She's fat and chubby.
Eight and
Petite.
one round.
Yes.
Petite.
If anything, look at Envy. She looks bulkier than me.
No, baby. I look
Right.
curvier than you. Thank you.
Wait, is this Bill? Or no, I recognize this
Probably like a
outfit.
brick.
Yeah, Sage, I sent it to you earlier when I built it. Mm-hmm.
I
Oh,
recognize.
so you late.
Oh,
I
yeah.
recognize.
Oh.
Oh.
No, it was for something else I built this for, and then I
Oh.
used this for this, you know.
And what about your hips?
Alice.
My hips
Oh.
are all man-made. Thank you very much.
Man?
Hey, look
I mean,
at-
not man-made.
Man.
Man!
It was given to me at birth. Thank you very
Oh my
much.
god.
Hold on,
Fuck
Dixie,
yourself.
come here. Dixie, come here. Let's take a little picture.
Yes,
Ooh,
boo, yes,
Dixie,
boo.
your wig is lifting.
Talking about pictures.
Oh my.
So is.
Okay, whoa. Too many girls coming.
I'm
Wait.
not in the mood.
I would run the picture.
What you gonna do about that, Frank?
No.
Frank just sitting up in here on mute.